Learn Spanish now. How you can say to play in Spanish. We have 3 words in Spanish to say to play: jugar, tocar, and poner. Jugar is used to talk about sports, games, and toys. Mi hermano juega baloncesto. Mi amigo y yo jugamos billar. Mi sobrino y yo jugamos Jenga. Tocar means to touch, but it's also used to talk about playing musical instruments. ¿Tocas algún instrumento?
Sí, toco el piano y el violín.
And the third verb is poner, which means to put, but it's also used to talk about playing songs, movies, and videos. Voy a poner una canción en español. Pongamos los videos de Learn Spanish Now. Visit learnspanishnow.co.